Good day. Today we're going to convert between exponential and logarithmic equations. These are inverses of each other, so we can convert in between them quite easily. Now the standard form of an exponent is y equals b to the x power. For a logarithmic equation, it is y equals log base b of x. Now I'm going to show you how to convert first the logarithm because it's easier, and then I'll show you the exponent. For a logarithm, I'm taking the base, in this case it's b. I'm going to shove it up under y. So b to the y power equals x. Alright, if I have an exponential equation, I'll take my base b. I'm going to shove it under y, but I'm going to add log. So this is log base b of y equals x. Finished. That's how you convert between one another. 1 through 4. Rewrite each equation in exponential form. So number 4, my base is 16. I'm going to shove it under the negative 2. 1 over 256 equals 16 to the negative 2 power. Well, if you remember from the exponent rules, you will know this can be rewritten as 1 over 256 equals 1 over 16 squared. All right, there's your answer. 16 squared is 256. It is correct. Try the other three, and let's move on. Rewrite each equation in logarithmic form. If I go to number 4, I'm going to take my base 4, shove it under the 1 over 64th. Don't forget to add the log. Negative 3 equals log base 4 of 1 over 64. Try those three problems, and I will be showing you the answers at the end of the lesson, but for practice, go ahead and try them. 12 through 15. Evaluate each expression given. For these expressions, what I'm looking for is how many times can I multiply the base by itself to get the inside of the logarithm. So number 12, how many times can I multiply 6? Well, the first one is 6. 6 is not 36, so I need to add another. 6 times 6 then. 6 times 6 is 36. I have two sixes listed. My answer then is 2. Let's try number 13. For 2, I have 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. That's the number that's on the inside. I have 5 2's. There is my solution. Now I do want to show you Desmos, and then I'm going to let you practice the other two. For Desmos, you can type in log base 2 of 32, and it will give you your solution of 5. Now, if you have a computer, you can type in log, hit shift minus to go in the subscript to put in your base, and then you can put in your number. If you don't have access to a computer, if you're using a phone or iPad, whenever you want to do one of these calculations, click on the Functions tab, scroll down to Calculus, log base A. Now I'm going to type a number in the subscript. Yeah, okay, we're not there though. In the subscript, and you can type numbers in the inside. All right, there's how you use Desmos. Try the last two problems. Now I'm going to show you the answers for these. Here are your solutions. And that is all I have for you today. Have a great rest of your day.